Hi, Denis Rule here, the lighting guy with the latest bracket from TriStar. This is going to change the way you do photography with speedlights, especially if you like to go outdoors. You've probably got some studio strobes at home. You've probably got those big, nice soft boxes that you like to use. And if you're like me, you've always wanted to take them outside and be able to use your strobes outside. Maybe you don't have power where you're going. Maybe you're going out in the woods or something and you don't want to lug out a generator. Here's a solution for you. If you have a speedlight, this bracket is going to change the way you do things. I'm going to use a light stand here just because I don't have enough hands. I simply pop my speedlight onto the cold shoe that's here. And it's got a nice big thumb screw so you can lock it down. It's going to be secure. I'm going to turn the little thumb wheel to be 100% sure. Nice and solid. It's adjustable, by the way, in and out. It's also rotatable 360 degrees so that I can aim my speedlight and still be able to see my sensor if I'm firing it optically or with TTL sensor. I can have full adjustment. It's got a height adjustment so that I can go up or down with lots of latitude. So if I'm using a radio trigger underneath, not a problem. Simply tighten that down. We'll pop this in, loosen it off a little bit, pop it into place so that I get a nice seal through here. My speed light follows through. I've got 8 holes around the perimeter of the speed ring, so I can mount any soft box that I want. This is a square one, but I can mount an octabox, I can mount a strip box. Just put the pins in the appropriate holes. These are 8mm holes, so it'll fit 99% of the soft boxes that are out there. I've got a low ceiling here, so I'm fighting with it, but that's okay. We work with what we've got. I simply pop in the 4 rods and do up the Velcro on the back to minimize light spillage, and I'm all set. Turn on my speed light and give it a test fire. Wait for the ready light. There we go. Give it a test fire and it works. One other really neat feature on this is that there's this little knob at the back which allows me to turn the softbox into any orientation that I want, so you can get that perfect catch light in your model's eye. There you have it, the speed light. By the way, I talked about the ratchet, but here it is with a nice heavy softbox on it, and I can put that in and it holds very, very solidly at any angle that I can put that I want to put my light at. So there you have it, the Speed Ring Speed Light Bracket, available at thelightingguy.ca. I'm Denis Rule. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.